So if we put the bag down here, we force it around, it will get stuck. If it gets stuck, here's how to fix it. You're gonna take a flathead screwdriver, the longest one you got. We're gonna wedge it up past the ridge and pry back towards us. You can see it takes a lot of force to get past this. You wanna make sure you don't sit your vacuum bag past the ridge, or you'll be stuck in the field doing this. See this ridge right here? This bag should never go past it. It's gonna fit like a phone case. Right here. That's where it's gonna fit on here. So you're gonna take this. We're gonna take our bag. We're gonna fit this onto here. So we're gonna fit that ridge onto that. And you'll see it'll go on. You'll feel it right here. And we're gonna take our hands and we're gonna make a circular motion like this, starting right here and going around. You see it pops in? Then when we take it off, we're gonna take our thumb, we're gonna engage this flat part right here, and it's gonna pop the bottom up. Then you're gonna take your hands and you're gonna turn this inside out, and it's gonna come right off. Getting it started here on the front and then working it around and then pushing this down, pulling up, and it comes right off. I'm Spencer, this is Bowie. There's a new video for you to watch right here, and please subscribe right here. Thank you so much. We'll see you next week.